Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to share a call for participants for NGO Next Generation. This is the Google Drive folder in which we have all the informations and materials we need in order to share a call. First of all, you need an application form and info pack. The info pack is usually created by the project coordinator and it's sent to us by email. So we can put the finished info pack in this folder. Then we can move to the application form. When you open the application form, you can already see how is it done before for another project, and you can just change the countries and the questions if needed. For example, if you want to change a country, you can just click, write another country. Then when you're done, you should click send on the second button here, then shorten URL, then copy, and this is the link you get for the application form. The results for the application form can be seen here in responses, or if you click this green button here, it will create a table right here next to the application form. Next, we need a text both for Facebook and for WordPress. So the text is a template also in which you change only the countries, the information about the project, dates, venue, age of participants, and every other information that needs to be changed. So for example, countries, topic, where, when, what is the application deadline for buying tickets, and also this is the info pack. How do you get this link for the info pack? You just right click in the Google Drive folder. You just right click, get link. Then you should select anyone with the link, viewer, copy link, and this is how you can just paste it in the document. Also for the application form, as I showed before. This is the text for the Facebook and the Instagram page, and this is the text for the WordPress for our web page. So it's basically with the same information, just the posting is different. So the text is similar, the information that it contains is the same, countries, information about the project, venue, dates, and so on and so on. So here the info pack and the application form are linked in the here word. So you put right click, you click on the right click, then edit link, and then you just paste the link here. So another thing that we are missing in this folder is the picture for the call for participants, except from this information that we already have here. For creating pictures for the call of participants, we are using Canva, and this is the template for Canva. You will get the link for this template, also for the template from Google Drive in the description below of this video. So this is the template. Because this is already done project, you don't want to ruin this picture, you just go copy, duplicate page, and then you have two exactly the same pictures. So for example, it doesn't matter how big are the flags, how big are the letters here, how big is this font or what font it is. The font always stays the same. The size doesn't stay the same because some project has bigger name, some project has smaller name. For example, if we say green go, it stays like this. But if we have a project that has 5 rows of name, it cannot be like this because it's not visible. You need to reduce until it's symmetric and it's visible. For the flags, the same. If you want to change the flag, you just go to elements. This is the elements. You write the name of the flag. This is the flag. You just click on it. For example, if you want to remove Poland, we just click on Poland, delete, then move Mauritius flag next to the others. And it's adjusted as the others are in the already prepared document. So yes, when you move, If it's equal space in between every flag, it shows like this. For example, 10 spaces here, 10 spaces here, and 10 spaces to every other flag. So this is how you change the flags. If you have more flags, you can go in 2 rows. If you have unequal odd number of flags, you can move one here so they can split and make more space for more countries or for another way of posting it. So for example, if you want to put Denmark as host, we can put it up and the other countries can go below. The most important thing here is the correct information, place, dates, whether it's youth exchange or training course or other project, and the topic of the project. And another important thing is the symmetry of the flags and every information that it contains. About the background picture, this is for this project, for example, you should go to Google, you find a nice picture of the place of the venue, for example, you click on it, and you should download it like directly from the page, or you should just click open image in new tab, then save images, and it will be saved. And then when it's saved, you can go back to the Canva, open your downloads, and then upload it to Canva. Once it's uploaded, you can just drag it until the picture in the background changes. Then you can move with double click, you can move, and the template of the call for participants is done. How do you download this? You go to share, you go download, and select which page. You can select on this marks, or you can just write page number 2. And you're done, and download. Now we move to the posting in the WordPress, our web page. So how do we post on our web page? We open our admin page of the Next Generation web page. Then you need to log in. Once you log in, you can see the menu on the left. For posting call for participants, you go to events, add new. Then this is the title of the project. We already have the title in the document we have previously prepared. So this is the title. You copy and you paste in the title spot. Then you go back to the document and you copy all the rest information and you put in the paragraph. This is not done yet, so now you need to change the dates of the project, so starting date, finishing date, and then it needs to be all day event, because if it's not all day event, you need to add the times also. Create or find a venue, the next thing that you need to change. For example, you don't have it already, you should create it, then city, then country, and so on. The other information we do not fill, address and state or province, postal code, phone, website, we don't create it. Organizer we don't put. Then we put euros 25 for the participation fee of participants. And the most important thing, featured image, set featured image. This is the picture we created, so upload files, select files, and the template picture that we already created. When it's uploaded, you can just click set featured image, and now the post is done. It just needs to be posted. How do you post it? You can publish it immediately, or you can publish immediately edit to post it on some date before or after this moment. So once you publish, this post is done and it can be seen on our web page. Next, we move to the posting on our social media channels. So now for the social media, we have the same picture, but different template, the one we prepared in the beginning of the video. Next, you open our Facebook page. Then you can see on the right, NGO Next Generation. You click on this because we're posting on our fan page, not on our profile. Then create post. If you want to create the post at the same time for the Instagram and for the Facebook page, you should create post in Meta Business Site Suite. Once it's open, you can just click create post. The Instagram page is already connected to the Facebook page. So you click create post. And this site is opened. Not this one, this one. So if you want to post to Facebook, you can just post to Facebook, you can just post to Instagram, or you can post to both of them at the same time. So in media, you add the photo you already created for the template, for the web page, for everything, we use the same photo. You just add the template and then you just copy the text we already created and paste in this field. If you want to put another text on Instagram, you can just click on this and then you can select in which social media account you're gonna put which text. Now with this text, with this picture, the post is ready for publishing. You should just click publish and that's it. For example, if you want to schedule a post in advance for some other date, you should go to planner, then create new post, then also select which network, add the text here. If you want to change it for Instagram, we are using this field now. It can be done separately for both of the accounts, and then add photo, again the template, and you have three options now. You can publish at the same moment, you can choose optimal times when the audience is more online, or you can click on this arrow, schedule post, and you select your own time when do you want to be posted. After we finish with this, when some time passes, we have the applications. You can view the applications in this table, then move on to the selection of participants.